HD Interiors fans. Welcome back to your channel. The kitchen is more than just a place for cooking. It's where memories are made, conversations flow, and creativity comes alive. In 2025, kitchen cabinet designs are taking center stage, blending functionality with breathtaking aesthetics. From sleek, minimalist lines to bold, statement-making colors, the trends this year are all about transforming your kitchen into a space that feels both modern and uniquely yours. This video dives into the latest kitchen cabinet design ideas for 2025. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking to refresh your space, these trends will inspire you to create a kitchen that's practical, stylish, and perfect for today's lifestyle. Let's explore how cabinets are redefining kitchens this year. In 2025, sleek and minimalist kitchen cabinets are leading the way. The focus is on simplicity and functionality, with designs that eliminate unnecessary details. Handle-less cabinets are a major trend, featuring push-to-open mechanisms or integrated grooves that create a seamless, modern look. Matte finishes are particularly popular, offering a soft, refined touch that complements contemporary spaces. For those who want a bit of shine, high-gloss lacquered surfaces are making a strong comeback, reflecting light beautifully to make kitchens feel brighter and more spacious. This minimalist approach isn't just about aesthetics, it's also practical. It makes cleaning easier and gives the kitchen a timeless appeal that feels uncluttered and sophisticated. Two-tone color schemes are a standout trend for 2025, adding depth and personality to kitchen cabinets. This design approach combines two contrasting or complementary colors to create a striking visual impact. Imagine pairing deep navy blue with warm wood tones, or sleek white cabinets with bold black accents. This dynamic contrast instantly elevates the space. The beauty of two-tone designs lies in their versatility. Whether you choose subtle contrasts, like soft grays and whites, or more daring combinations, like emerald green with brass handles, these color pairings allow you to experiment with your style while maintaining balance. This trend isn't just about making your kitchen look good, it's about creating a space that feels dynamic and modern, with a playful yet elegant vibe. Natural wood textures are making a strong comeback in 2025, offering warmth and organic beauty to kitchen cabinets. Materials like oak, walnut, and even reclaimed wood are trending, bringing a cozy yet sophisticated feel to modern kitchens. These rich, earthy tones contrast beautifully with the sleek, minimalist finishes we've seen in previous trends, creating a harmonious blend of nature and modernity. Wood isn't just for rustic kitchens anymore. It's being paired with sleek metals and glass to create an elevated, contemporary look. Whether it's a warm walnut finish for lower cabinets or a light oak for upper ones, natural wood adds character and texture without overpowering the space. This trend allows homeowners to reconnect with nature, infusing their kitchens with a grounded, calming atmosphere while still maintaining a modern aesthetic. Smart storage solutions are at the heart of modern kitchen design, and 2025 is no exception. Cabinets are becoming more than just storage, they're transforming into highly functional, organized systems. Innovative features like pull-out pantry units, lazy Susans, and corner carousel cabinets are maximizing every inch of space, making kitchens more efficient and clutter-free. Another trend gaining traction is hidden drawers and compartments that provide discreet storage for utensils, spices, or even small appliances. These solutions keep everything neatly tucked away while maintaining the sleek, minimalist look that's so popular today. Smart storage isn't just about keeping things organized, it's about creating a kitchen that flows, with intuitive features that make cooking and entertaining a breeze. In 2025, bold accent cabinets are taking kitchens to the next level. By introducing vibrant colors like emerald green, mustard yellow, or deep burgundy, these cabinets act as statement pieces, adding personality and flair to the space. Whether it's an island with a rich, eye-catching hue or a row of cabinets against a neutral backdrop, the contrast brings energy and excitement to the kitchen. The beauty of this trend is in the balance. It's about making a statement without overwhelming the room. Accent cabinets can be paired with more subtle tones like whites, grays, or wood textures, allowing the bold colors to pop without competing with other elements in the design. This trend gives homeowners the freedom to infuse their kitchens with their unique style, creating a space that's both functional and fun. Glass and open shelving are becoming essential elements in 2025 kitchen designs, offering a perfect balance between storage and display. Glass front cabinets create a sense of openness, allowing you to showcase beautiful dishware, glassware, or decorative items while keeping them easily accessible. It adds a touch of elegance without sacrificing functionality. Open shelving is also gaining popularity, offering a casual, airy feel to the kitchen. It's ideal for those who love to display their favorite items, from plant pots to chic kitchen tools. While open shelving can make a kitchen feel more inviting, it's important to keep it organized to maintain that polished, clutter-free look. These features help transform your kitchen into a space that's as stylish as it is practical, blending form and function effortlessly. "2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for kitchen design, with modern cabinets taking on new levels of style and functionality. From minimalist designs to bold accent colors, natural wood textures to innovative storage solutions, there's no shortage of ways to refresh your kitchen. No matter your personal style, these trends offer plenty of inspiration to create a kitchen that's not only practical but also a stunning focal point in your home. Whether you want sleek and simple or vibrant and bold, 2025's kitchen cabinets are all about blending beauty with purpose. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration from HD Interiors.